guys, what's going on? It's your boy Realm 300. Alright, we're going to start this off with the outfit of the day. So, as you can see, I have a purple sweater on. This sweater is a wool sweater made by Neiman Marcus. Check it out. Slim fit sweater. Very thin, but also very comfortable. Also have on a pair of blue denim distressed jeans with leather trim on the pockets, and also leather trim and metal accents on the back. These are by Rock Revival. And I also have a pair of Armani sneakers on. These are navy blue, high top, Imperial Armani by Giorgio Armani. Alright, so that's my outfit of the day. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you like it, and I'll tell you where you can pick some of this stuff up. Also, leave the links to where I actually purchased this stuff in the description below. Alright, let's move on to fragrance review. See you there. What up, guys? Your boy Realm 300. I'm back. This is officially the first review of 2018. I'm going to bring to you guys a banger. You already seen the title. And now it's time to bring you some good juice. What's up, guys? It's your boy Realm 300. We are here with the presentation of Anima Dulcis by Arquiste perfume. So we're going to start off with presentation of the box. White and black box, hard cardboard, very sturdy. The fragrance sits right inside. Let's see if I can get that off, you guys. The fragrance sits right inside there, like so. Very nice and snug. I actually think that you can use it as a presentation if you like. I just keep it out. That's just, you know, preference. Also comes with a booklet. It also comes with a booklet with information, the perfumer, the creator of all the fragrances inside. That's pretty cool to give you some background of the fragrance and who created it and why. Also, with that, the box has all the information on the back, barcode and stuff on the bottom, all that stuff you guys know about. Now let's get back to the bottle presentation. This is a 100 ml bottle. You can actually see this is a simplistic design, but also kind of classy and timeless in my opinion. The emblem on the top. Also this copper slash, I think you can call it, yeah, I would say copper top, very heavy metal top. There's the name right there. Like I said, very simplistic, but also very classy and timeless. And that is a presentation for Anima Dulcis by Arquiste. Let's get to the review. See you in a minute. Peace. As you saw in the presentation, this is Arquiste, and the fragrance is Anima Dulcis. First and foremost, I need to thank two reviewers that, if I'm not mistaken, put me onto this fragrance. I can't remember which one or both. I think both of them kind of, you know, did a first impressions on the fragrance, and I knew about the house, but I wasn't really, you know, pressed to check it out. But I want to thank Memo Beauty and Delicious Delight. Both of these young ladies are super fantastic reviewers. If you haven't had an opportunity to check both of their channels out, Memo Beauty has like one of the most soothing voices I've ever heard in my life. She's like, she tells you a bedtime story every time she talks. And Delicious Delight just has a just a ton of knowledge when it comes to fragrances, and she tells it how it is, if it's good or if it's bad. So I want to thank both of them for, you know, letting me know about the fragrance. I picked this one up from Lucky Scent? No, I picked this one up, excuse me, I picked this one up from Twisted Lily when I was in New York for my vacation, when I took my vacation in New York early this summer. So this fragrance was created in 2012. As you guys, if you don't know, the creator of the house and the brand is Carlos Huber. It's like young architect that kind of transitioned into, you know, making the fragrance line. Dude is like super ripped. Like every time you see him on Instagram, he like ain't got no type of shirt on. I'm trying to get my six pack like that too. But great house, and this fragrance was created by actually two noses. The first nose was I think his name was Rodriguez Flores Rue, and the other perfumer, the nose is Yan Veneer. I don't want to mess the name up. I'll put it at the bottom just to make sure that I got the names right. But let's talk about this fragrance. Gourmand lovers, spicy fragrance lovers, rejoice. We have found, in my opinion, top 5 on the list. Has to be of one of the best Oriental, gourmand, vanilla, spicy, cocoa-like fragrances. This fragrance comes off in the beginning like a hot cocoa drink, while your aunt, your mom, your grandmother, your wife are cooking in the kitchen, making up some type of spicy pasta dish. This just invokes, for me, a holiday, special occasion, winter, fall fragrance. You got this. I mean, when I say cocoa, when I'm talking about hot cocoa, I'm not talking about something you get, you know, out of Nesquik or something like that. I'm talking about raw cocoa mixed with, you know, homemade milk. Put some love into the, put the, the pot on the stove, mix it up with the warm milk. Put the, natural cocoa in it. Put a little bit of sugar in there. Add a little cinnamon and spice in there. Gorgeous. That's the type of, feeling I get from it. It's almost edible when you smell it. You just, my mouth kind of waters. Like, damn, I wish I had cocoa or hot cocoa that tastes this good, or even smelled this good. Imagine waking up in the morning, it's a winter night, it snowed all night, you can't go anywhere, you're in your house with your significant other, and he or she brings you in the bed some hot cocoa, y'all sit and watch Netflix and just, relax. That's point blank where this is at. And it's not a very complex fragrance in the sense that it changes. It kind of stays, for me, linear. It stays the same. It just kind of shifts slightly from being cocoa and spicy to vanilla and cinnamon spicy. Now, the chili pepper in this fragrance is a unique twist, because I've never kind of had anything throw me off when it comes to a fragrance having mostly these gourmand notes and then kind of throwing that chili powder in there. And that's what I was saying before. The chili powder kind of invokes that, some family members cooking on a holiday in the kitchen while, everybody's gathering, drinking cocoa, talking about their life and talking about what, happened, when, family come around. This is perfect, in my opinion, for 3 specific holidays, in my opinion. This is perfect for Thanksgiving. This is perfect for Christmas dinner, and you might not agree with me. Some of you do, because like it tends to sit in the gourmand category. This is perfect in my opinion, and I think I will be wearing this for Valentine's Day because it has that cocoa, which is that kind of relationship with chocolate. Everybody has chocolate and florals or flowers. You give that to your spouse or your girlfriend or something like that on Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day also had this kind of romantic vibe with it, and this kind of has that, a cozy romantic vibe, and it's sweet enough to pass for a Valentine's Day fragrance. What else about this fragrance? The projection. The projection is perfect. Projection's perfect. Longevity, also great. It's not a beast mode fragrance, but I try not to go too hard on the trigger because I don't want it to, overwhelm me. And, it's not loud that it's going to just kind of take the attention away from, what's going on wherever you're at. It's not going to choke anybody out. But I think that the chili powder can be kind of offsetting if you wear too much of it. Like I said before, heavy top, and let's do a spray so you guys can see how the spray works. Wow, that is actually a controlled trigger sprayer. Nice distribution. Beautiful, thick, oily spray. Absolutely gorgeous fragrance. So, there we go. That was a sprayer. Very nice, very controlled. All right. I think that the cocoa and the vanilla of this fragrance is, a great combination. The mix with the spices of cinnamon and also chili. With that said, here the note breakdown. It's not a lot of notes in this. I'll probably mention them all, but here are the note breakdown, and it's not a pyramid, but here you go. Let's get back to a little bit more of this fragrance. Times to wear this beyond the holidays. This is a fall, lean more towards late fall, winter fragrance. This, in my opinion, is nighttime dinner fragrance. If you're going out dinner, if you're going out trying to, get a little, dance on, especially if you're going out dancing, this is going to perform very well. I wouldn't wear this to work. I don't feel like it's for that. I don't think it's, a business affair. More if you're going to a dinner, yes. Dress up, dress down, casual, yeah. I don't think it's super special. You gotta wear some type of suit or anything. You don't, dress casual. But if you want, I think that also suits for either occasion. Man, when I say to you guys, if you love gourmand fragrance, if you love slightly off the wall spicy fragrances that kind of take you a left field, this is the one to check out. I mean, I've had this fragrance in my hand for maybe an hour now, and this is weird because I haven't had this effect before. This is more now chili vanilla. First it was cocoa and chili mixed with a little bit of cinnamon. Now I have it's way stronger in the vanilla, and that spices. Oh, man. It's superb, guys. I have no complaints about this fragrance. I adore this fragrance. It will be in my collection and to the end of time. Definitely when I run out of this bottle, which is going to be hard because it doesn't take many sprays. 3 sprays and you good for the day. If I run out, I'm purchasing another bottle just like that. This fragrance got me hyped. When I tell you guys I'm hyped just to check out the rest of the line, this fragrance got me hyped. I'm about to look and get samples for the entire line because if this smells this good, I can imagine what the spring, the summer, and also the other, fragrance from this line smell like. So, age bracket, I don't really care about that. You know what I'm saying? It's a fun fragrance. I don't think anybody in their teenage years is going to appreciate it. Adults, 21 above, yes, try it. I think you will definitely, if you like gourmand fragrances, if you like sweet fragrances, if you like spicy fragrances, you're really gonna like this one. And this isn't your, like I said before, if I haven't said it before, this isn't your typical spicy fragrance where you talk about, pink pepper, black pepper, cinnamon, or something like Immortelle. No, this is chili. You know what I'm saying? Like that, like who comes up with something like that? Chili? Man, that was genius. That's totally genius. And it separates itself from the typical gourmand, oriental, spicy fragrances. Brings something new to the table. So I'm glad I got this in my collection. Hopefully I'll add some more in the near future. And you guys definitely should check this one out. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. First review in the books for 2018. Next one will be coming up very soon. I'm going to be dropping these things, like I said, at least twice a month, sometimes 3 times a month. I'll drop a video, and I'm going to be incorporating some new things. I got some things in store for you guys. This is going to be a great year for my channel. I'm hoping to get close to 3,000 subscribers by middle of this year. So let's keep it rolling. Thank you guys for your support. Please, if you like this content, please give me thumbs up. Let me know if you guys tried this fragrance. Tell me if you got any, gourmand / spicy fragrances that you like that I could try out. And hit that bell icon if you haven't already, just so you can get more, content from me, and you'll know exactly when I'm putting out some videos. Thank you again, guys. You guys are my peoples. You know this. I appreciate all you guys. And like I always say, it's okay if you want to smell like Rome. I'll check you guys out on the next review. Peace.